blending a finished spirit in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to build a blend from aged barrels, watch the running proof, set a proof down target, and auto-post the federal TTB 511028 ledger. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production, Blending from your dashboard. This screen is where you build a finished blend out of aged spirits barrels. It's set up for spirits today. Beer and wine blending will land on this same screen down the road. Select the barrels you want in the blend. Each one shows its current proof and volume from aging. Add each barrel and enter how much you're pulling. As you build the blend, I run a running proof calculation, so you can see where the blend lands as you add or remove barrels. Once you're happy with the mix, enter your proof down target, the final bottling proof, and I'll calculate the water addition needed to get there. Confirm the blend, and I post the processing account ledger entry for TTB Form 5110.28 automatically, so your federal spirits accounting stays in step with what you actually did on the floor.